Everyone, today let us talk about Windows 10 feature, how to install software program from an ISO file. So I am going through this feature because many times when we want to install the program, we have noticed the file type is ISO. So when ISO file, by default, you cannot execute like executable. But from the Windows 10, we have a feature to mount the ISO file. When you mount the ISO file, it will create a virtual drive, and then you can open that drive as same as another drive like C drive or D drive. From there, you will be able to see all the files which ISO file has, like setup.exe and all other files. And then you can install the setup.exe and go through the installation. Once the installation is over, you can come back to the drive and eject the drive. Let me go to the demo. I have ISO file downloaded. So this is the ISO file. I can, if I double click, I have already mounted. Let me unmount this. Okay, I have the ISO file in this downloader folder. Let me right click the ISO file, click on mount. When you do mount, it creates a drive, E drive. We can go back and check in this PC. So, right, it created a drive, E drive. So if you open the E drive, it contains the folder. Now, if you want to install this setup.exe, you can click and run as administrator, and then it will try to install. It will open the installation window. Or installation window, while it will go through all the installation steps, and it will finish. But this application, will take long time to install. I don't want to wait for the time, so I am planning to cancel once it's up. Right? I will cancel it and I will demonstrate the eject virtual drive feature. I will close this. Okay, I close. Now I go back to this PC and I see the drive. I can right click and eject. That's it. Now your drive is ejected. So like that, you can install the application from ISO file or software from ISO file and eject the drive. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please send us an email to onlinetechuniversity@gmail.com or follow us in the Twitter. Thank you. Please subscribe.